Where do you go to find that ideal professional landscape designer to help you design your garden? Hey, I'm Rama with Creation Landscape Designs on the Earthly Landscapes blog. In this video, I want to share with you the places that you can go, both online and offline, to find the ideal landscape professional that will suit your every lifestyle in the sense of design. Before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, California native plants, sustainable design, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer based out of Orange County, and I will have a link to my business website in the description of the video for anyone that might need a landscape designer. So there are different places and things that you can do and go to online to find a designer. If you're finding a designer online, you can simply do a Google search and just Google search professional landscape design Orange County or Los Angeles or wherever you live. But there are two really nice websites to go to find a designer. The first, which I highly recommend you use actively, is called Houzz, Houzz.com, and I'm actually going to make a separate video on how to properly use the website to not only gather ideas but to also find your design professional. Now what's nice with Houzz is you can create idea books of different images that you like related to landscape design or related to your dream bathroom, whatever it is you're renovating. But each of those photographs are tied to the specific professional who posted the photo. So then you can go back to that professional's profile and see other photos that they've posted. Or you can simply search on Houzz for landscape design, depending on the area you live in, depending on what specifically you're looking for, and get a list of local design professionals in your area that would be able to help you. And then from there, you can go check out their profiles, check out their website, maybe they have an Instagram page, check out all their different social media presences to see what it is that they can offer you. The second website is either Yelp or Angie's List. And what you do basically is, let's say you go to Yelp, you can search professional landscape design or any variation thereof, and it will give you a list of professionals based on your location, and it will also show the reviews that they had. And that's very important. Whether you use Houzz or Yelp, it's very important to look at their reviews and read them. If they've got a lot of positive reviews, and there's at least a dozen or more positive reviews, then you know that that professional obviously must have good quality service. Or if they've got a bunch of negative reviews, then maybe not. Now there are other websites like Kudzu and Home Finder and Porch and stuff like that that you could use to find a design professional. But however, what I like about Houzz and Yelp is for the design professional, it's completely free to have the profile. On Houzz, it's completely free for me as a design professional to post portfolio images of the work I've done for you to then be able to save into the idea books. You could also probably use Pinterest, but I haven't seen much design professionals on Pinterest. I could be wrong. But that's also another thing that you can do. Now, there are other ways to also find your ideal designer. Go to your local nursery. Maybe they have a listing of designers, or maybe they have an area where you can see the designer business cards. If you go to Plant Depot in San Juan Capistrano or Tree of Life Nursery in San Juan Capistrano, they have an area where designers can place their business cards. And you grab whichever card suits your fancy, depending on whatever it is you're looking for. Or grab a bunch of cards. Go look them up online. Why not? They're there, they're free. You could do a neighborhood drive-by. Kind of drive by your neighborhood casually and look at what other people have done to their gardens. And if it's a garden that you really like, go knock on the door. Hey, sorry to bother you, but I really liked your garden. Did you hire a professional designer? Would you mind referring that person? Or you could ask your friends and coworkers. But I would suggest to thoroughly, regardless of whom it is you might be considering contacting, to potentially design your garden, contact at least 3 people and interview at least 3 people and thoroughly look them up. Thoroughly look at their social media presence, thoroughly look at their website. Do they have enough portfolio images to give you an idea of what it is that they do? And are the projects that they work on and the specific styles that they design suited for what you're looking for? If it's not, don't call them.